Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT with Spotify on iPhone. So guys, if you want to connect ChatGPT with your Spotify on iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your App Store. And then you have to simply download and install the latest version of ChatGPT and the Spotify app on your device first. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and you have to create your account on Spotify first, and after this you have to open ChatGPT and create account here as well. And now you have to tap on this option, and after this you have to scroll it below, and now you have to tap on your profile, and then you have to go to apps and connectors. So guys, here you can see this, tap on this and now go to Spotify, and from here tap on connect button and connect your Spotify app with your ChatGPT from here. So guys, here you can see the connect button. You can easily connect ChatGPT to your Spotify account from here. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.